Before we start, let's set up the BLL-200. The BLL-200 comes with a transmitter, a clamp, and the receiver. The BLL-200 also has alligator clip test leads, a test lead extension, and a ground rod. We have the connectors, live line LED. This illuminates if the circuit voltage is more than 50 volts. We have the power lamp and the 3-position switch. The line clamp connection, inductive mode, and off. On the receiver, we have the display, power switch, signal strength lamps, mode switch, 3-position volume switch, high, low, and off, and lastly, the signal reset depth reading button. Let's add the batteries and make sure the unit is ready for us to operate. For direct connection mode, if you are tracing a live circuit, connect the transmitter at the end point of the circuit or branch, not in the middle or at the source. This will provide the best results. Number 1, verify that the circuit voltage is no greater than 600 volts AC or 300 volts DC. Number 2, plug the leads into the signal output jacks. Number 3, connect one clip to a solid earth ground. If a solid earth ground is not available, use the ground stake included in the kit. Number 4, connect the second clip to a conductor. This can be a wire, cable, metallic conduit, or pipe. Set the switch to line clamp connection. The power lamp will flash. If the wire has a voltage potential relative to ground, the live line lamp will illuminate. Number 6, refer to the instructions on how to set the receiver. Number 7, trace and locate the path of the buried line. For the clamp, Number 1, place the clamp around the wire or conduit to be traced. Number 2, plug the clamp into the transmitter. Number 3, set the switch to line clamp connection. The power lamp will flash. Number 4, set up the receiver as described in inductive mode. Number 5, trace and locate the path of the buried line. For the inductive mode, let's place the transmitter on the ground over the object to be traced. On the receiver, number 1, extend the T-shaped antenna and clamp it into place. Number 2, set the mode switch to trace. And let's set the switch to inductive mode. The power lamp will flash. Number 3, set up the receiver. Number 4, trace and locate the path of the buried line. Number 5, the signal strength LEDs will illuminate. Number 6, scan the area for buried lines. See scanning procedure. For depth measurement, both the receiver and the transmitter are used together to estimate the depth of the buried line. Number 1, trace the buried line. Set the end of the antenna on the ground. Hold the receiver so that the shaft of the antenna is vertical. Note, if measuring the depth of the buried line with the receiver less than 15 meters or 50 feet from the transmitter, reflected signals may produce an inaccurate measurement. Number 2, press and hold the signal reset button. The LCD will display the depth in feet and tenths of a feet. Number 3, while still pressing the signal reset button, slowly scan from left to right. The lowest reading is correct. Fully extend the antenna. Rest the antenna on the ground and hold the antenna vertically.
For more info, contact tech support at 1-800-642-2155, option 4. For international tech support, 440-1633-927050. For more training videos, check out our YouTube channel.